How do you move a dead car that can't power itself and pull it into a garage with a slope floor? What's in here? Well, you can see this is a hydraulic positioning jack. So here's what's going to happen. So the Impala is still over at the other garage, and I'm going to use these to lift the car up, spin it, get it aimed out the door of the garage. Then I'm going to bumper tow it, and it's only a few blocks away, so it's going to come around here, come into this alley, and then once it gets in here, I've got a plan. I got this super cool steel D-ring that you can anchor to the floor with concrete anchor bolts. And I'm going to put it back there. And this thing. This is an electric winch that can take several thousand pounds. I don't remember. It's like 3,500 pounds or something like that. So when I pull the Impala into the alley, the hard part is the apron. The apron's quite an angle. I think it goes a rise of about a foot over 8 feet. And then it depends on what kind of angle I can get in, because there is a brick wall to the neighbor's house right on the edge of the alley. So in order to come in and get at the right angle, I think I need to come in from this side, get the Impala generally pointed in this direction, run the winch out there and move it in, and I'll probably need to stop a few times, use these wheel dollies to turn it a little bit, pull it in a little bit more, turn it a little bit. I have to do all this because the steering wheel is disconnected and I didn't have time to finish that. Luckily the steering rack is connected, so it should be able to track and follow while I tow, I hope. Hopefully that won't be too much of an ordeal and all of this will work. Okay, these are definitely really cheap. First thing I noticed, plastic wheels. These aren't metal casters, these are plastic casters. They'll probably be one of the first things to break. You got this weird like PVC thing on here to protect the tire. If you saw the function, you have this. This is the tightening, venting relief mechanism for the hydraulic. So you tighten that up, and then when you pump it, it pinches and raises the vehicle. So these might only be good for one-time use. We'll see. Issei lifts vehicle without touching frame. Rigid steel frame, 680 kilogram capacity per jack. Oh, good stuff.
I like it a lot.
So here's the deal. This is an SDS drill bit. This is Ryobi SDS drill. It's a different kind of drill bit, and it's meant to be kind of like a rotary hammer drill for concrete. This is the D-ring that I'm going to install, and the specifications for these D-rings say that it has to be at least 4 inches from any edge of the concrete. So I'm going to place it 4 inches from the back wall. I'm going to place it about 5 feet from the wall, and I can go about it said as close as 4 inches. So I might give myself a 5-inch safety margin from the wall rather than 4. It said the hole should be 3 3/4 deep. I'm about 3 1/4 deep. Let's go a little bit more. That's the first one.
Which they define as 6 to 10 hours.
Yeah, that's a big car.
Put about 20 dead bodies in the trunk. All right, slow. Give out another foot. All right, stop.
What do you think?
I think it's good. You got it, you're good. Tons of room. Hold on. Your front wheels aren't tracking. Straight shot, right?
Oh yeah, we have to turn. We have two turns.
Okay.
We'll turn there, we'll go across first, then we
Okay.
turn again into that alley.
Got it.
Alright, slowly. Nothing. I'm worried about the front right dolly missing the ramp. How about,
I'll get behind it and I'll keep.
I'll tell you what, I'll come out here and I'll help you push the rear end closer. What? Oh, I'm gonna, hold on.
Let me get the.
I'm gonna run it out, like a
Yeah.
foot. Don't?
Let me get the jack under the rear,
Okay, yeah.
and we'll chalk on the front wheels and. All right, jack, come down. We are in. We are in. We are in.
Done a couple inches?
Sure. All right, that's good. Music montage. It's been a hell of a day. First of all, I'd like to say cheers to my buddy Adam for helping me pull this thing over here today. I didn't think I needed any help. I could have probably gotten here by myself, but it would have been a struggle. And besides, I actually had a lot of fun. I used these dollies, and only one broke. It was the plastic wheel. So these things are plastic. They're not metal. And that's the one that broke. Granted, the reason why it broke was because as we were coming up the transition on the apron of the garage, where that meets the pavement, it's kind of bumpy. There's a gap, and it got caught in the gap, and it broke the wheel. I think if they are metal casters, that wouldn't have been an issue. But we were asking them to do a lot. This winch is invaluable. I wish I would have had a winch like this a long time ago. I also have plans for in here. I want to lift. I've said I wanted to lift for a long time. I hope I can install a lift in here with the cart in here. And so we'll see how that progresses as this goes. I'm Damian Hill with Solid Fix Build. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this content. I'll always make more. Thanks.